Hello, beautiful person watching this video. Welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, and a very warm welcome to you. And come on in, let's make some quick, easy, and healthy dinner. Guys, today I am making some broiled salmon with some lemon rice served with salad. It is so easy to make and absolutely delicious and healthy. Please make sure you watch till the end because I have a very important tip I'm going to be sharing with you all about this rice. Stick around and let's jump right into cooking. Quickly walk you through the ingredients we need to make our broiled salmon and then we can start cooking. I have here my fresh salmon fillet, some salt and black pepper. I have some mustard. I have some spice blend in here and it's just some smoked paprika, some cayenne pepper, oregano, thyme, and rosemary. I have some fresh lemon juice, fresh parsley, some minced garlic, and some unsalted butter. Now let's put this together, guys. So to start, guys, I have my saucepan right here. It's on heat and high heat, and to that I'm going to add in the butter. Make sure this melts completely. I'm going to add garlic. I'll just let this saute a little bit. Next, I'll add in our spice blend. Fresh lemon juice. The mustard. And finally, a freshly chopped parsley. So guys, our marinade has cooled down completely, and I did also go ahead and just lightly put some salt and black pepper on our salmon. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rub the marinade on and then we can put it in the oven to broil. Now I already put on my oven is already on heat right now. So I'll start first with the skin. I'll go with the skin first so that once we flip it up, we just finish it and then put it in the oven. So the skin has been marinated. I'm just going to transfer it into my baking pan. So I have my baking pan here. I lined it. So I'm going to transfer my salmon in there. And then I'll go ahead and also marinate this top side of it. Oops. Just push this a little bit so this little guy can fit in right here. Okay. So I'll just proceed to use my marinade on the top as well before I pop it in. Just go ahead and pop this right into the oven, guys. It should take about 8 minutes, maybe 8 to 10 minutes for our salmon to be cooked well done. I like it well done, so I will show you in a moment how it looks like once it's been cooked. So while our salmon is broiling, it's cooking, I have my saucepan right here and I have some water. I'm bringing it to a boil. I just want to make a lemon rice, and this is how I typically just boil my rice. So this water here, I'm just gonna pour in my rice. And guys, I usually don't this rice is not So this rice is not washed yet. I just pour it in here and I'm not gonna cover it. I just stir it in for about 3 to 5 minutes. And the idea is that I want the rice to release more starch. So I want it to release more starch before I will go ahead and rinse it up and then cook it properly then. So I'll let it be here for 3 to 5 minutes. Once it releases more starch, I will show you how it looks like and I'll proceed to rinse it up. So guys, as you can see, I let my rice boil for 3 minutes, and while it was boiling I was stirring it to make sure that it doesn't stick under the pot. And I turned off the heat. I already went ahead and washed the first batch. I'm just going to watch the second batch and just show you so you can see the amount of starch that's released from the rice. This method, it's really great. I will encourage you, if you want to cook your rice, to use this method. That way you extract more starch and it also helps to lessen the amount of calories from your rice. So guys, after washing our rice properly, I have my pot back on heat, and to that I added some more water to it, and the water has boiled. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. So the juice of half a lemon, I'll just squeeze it right in there. I'm going to add some coconut oil in there. And the secret ingredient to your lemon rice is some chicken bouillon powder. Now this is some chicken bouillon powder. I'm gonna add some in there, and then I'll bring our rice back in. So I'll add our rice back in. I'll just lower the heat since it already the water already boiled. I'll lower the heat so we don't burn our rice, but it can cook nicely. I'll just stir it up and make sure that it is okay before I can cover up the pot and let it cook slowly. So guys, our salmon has cooked beautifully. As you can see, it looks beautiful, smells so good in here. I'm just going to go ahead and set it aside because our rice is also cooking as well, and I'm just gonna whip up some really quick salad that we're gonna have dinner with. So guys, our rice has cooked beautifully, as you can see. I just have some thinly chopped carrots right here. I already turned off the heat, so I'm just adding this just to give our rice some color right here. Nothing too serious. I'll just stir this up completely and just leave it on one side, and then we can proceed to make our salad as well. That's gonna go with the rice and the salmon. I'm already excited for dinner today. So guys, for our salad that we're gonna have dinner with, nothing too serious. I just have everything chopped up in here. So here I have some red onions, I have some cherry tomatoes, so I have various colors of cherry tomatoes. I have some green bell peppers, some red bell peppers, and some cucumbers. So I'm just going to go ahead and just make my simple salad. The dressing is just some fresh lemon juice. I'm just gonna squeeze it all over it. Nothing too serious here, guys. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil on there as well, just like so. Some salt. I'm using some pink salt. And finally some fresh cracked ground black pepper. Smells nice, guys. Just gonna mix it all up. So delicious. And what more can you ask for? Like healthy, easy, all in one. Guys, here's our salad. Our salmon is right here. Look at how beautiful that salmon looks. It looks gorgeous, gorgeous. And we have our lemon rice here. You want to try this rice, guys. So delicious. I'm just gonna build my plate. Just build my plate and show you how it looks like. I'm just going to build my dinner plate. Make sure you see this. Make sure I put my salmon here so it can hold my rice together. And I'll put my salad to the side. I love my salad, so I'm gonna put as much as I can. I hope you can see this. I'm not sure what my camera is doing, but yeah. And I just have some homemade sauce. This is like spicy. I'm just gonna put a little bit in here. And this right here, my friends, is dinner. Let me show you my plate properly. This is my plate. So guys, if you like this video, please do not forget to give your girl a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comment section if you want to see more of these videos, this kind of videos that I make just to inspire. So the idea is that we try to keep our dinners light, very easy, so that we can make something whip up really quickly and eat. This combo right here goes so well together, the lemon rice with the salmon and the salad to the side. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel so that we can grow together. Until I see you in my next video, please continue to drink lots of water, stay hydrated, be well, be safe, and bye.